Hi, James from jameswood.net, how to build a better business. Now in this video, I want to show you the latest version of Shotcut, which is 16.07.01. Okay, so what I like about this version is actually now it has the ability to export a single frame, and to export a single frame, it is under the File and Export Frame. This feature is very useful if you plan to use thumbnails for, let's say, YouTube or any other video service that you want to create a thumbnail for, because you can actually move your playhead to an exact position and export a certain frame. Okay, so let's say for instance I want this frame, okay, and if I were to with the intense look, so once all I have to do is to move the video playhead to this location and just export frame, and let me just call this as intense 1. Okay, and we're going to save it as a PNG file. Okay, so if you go back here, you'll notice that this intense frame, this exact frame, it has a size of 1 megabyte, and the dimension is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels, which is the video dimensions in this video that I'm editing. In the past, when Shotcut doesn't have this function, what I would do is actually, by the time I finish editing my video, I will export it, and then I will go to play this video in VLC, video player. Okay, I will pause the video and slowly find the frame that I want. Oops, sorry. I will slowly look for the frame that I want. Okay, and with much difficulty and hoping that I could get it right, and it's actually pretty difficult. So what happens then, let's say I will choose this frame, okay, and I will use a screen capture software snipping tool and capture this frame to save it. Okay, so obviously there might be sometimes some black lines over here because I didn't save it properly. So let me just say that this is intense 2, okay, which is actually from screen capture. Okay, so it is much more difficult and time consuming to find the frame that I want for the look, and furthermore the thumbnail quality is not there. So let me just close this, and if you compare this frame and this frame, obviously with these dimensions, I will try to get the dimensions, and as I do the screen capture, I will still get the aspect ratio of 16:9, but the dimensions will be all over the place, not obvious, and the size is much smaller, and the quality sometimes may not be there as well, okay, compared to this one. Okay, so with this version of Shotcut, you can do this, and I hope that with this update, if you are using Shotcut, it will allow you to create thumbnails for YouTube or for any other video hosting service, and to get the exact frame that you want. If you are new to Shotcut, I suggest that you try Shotcut. It is free, and you can also get my training program whereby I will cover all the things from the beginning, from the very basic to all more advanced topics like picture-in-picture, like blue screen or green screen, right, and to edit your videos. So thanks for watching this. I hope that this update will allow you to see Shotcut as it progresses and matures with more and more useful features. This is James. Thanks for watching.